Hi, my name is Wu Ping. Today I'm gonna do a code which you've never seen before. First, you go on here, enter, put 4, count in range, shift 9 bracket, put 4, and then tom.fd.forward 100, and then tom.left, put 90 in the bracket, and then tom.circle bracket 50, and play it. There, look at my shape. So bye, see you in the next video.